A flash flood warning for the following county: Holmes, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Torrential rainfall rates associated with these storms will continue over the warned area for the next hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Millersburg, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Loudonville, Kilbuck, Holmesville, Dormont, Nashville, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Baltic, Mount and Charm. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Holmes, Ohio. This is no weather radio KDO.
Okay, don't know why the 12521 didn't go off. Oh my gosh. Finally, it activated.
The forecast for northeast inland Ohio. Tonight, widespread showers and scattered thunderstorms this evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after